Hello and welcome to a complete overview of link post blogging. And I've been in the marketing space for over 28 years now. And what you're going to see is something that I've developed by doing it myself and figuring out how I can teach someone else how to do it. If you can follow instructions, you can make this work. This is a way to make money 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Your link post blogging system will be the best employee you ever had. We are going to teach you how to do it right and teach you how to do it through mentoring. You're going to receive a one-on-one mentor that's going to literally hold your hand and guide you through this entire process to get this all set up. And we're going to give you a starting point, and you're going to be able to modify it and make it your own and put it to work for you pretty quickly. Now, we have things that make money pretty quick, like within a day, and we have things that you're going to be building on that generates legacy income. So before I get started on this, I want you to realize that everything you're going to be building with link post blogging, not only can it make you money today, this week, next month, next year, it's something you can pass on down to generations after generations. As long as your website's up and functioning, it's able to do work for you. And the more work you put into it and the more traffic you generate with the ways we teach you how to generate traffic, the more valuable this business becomes. Let me walk you through a few things here, and I'm going to just skim over the basics on why it works and how it works, and just know we're going to teach you everything. Okay, now this is my main site. Now everybody's going to get one with a short, 4 to 5 character domain. It's important to have a short domain for how we teach you how to get traffic. You don't want to have a cute domain for what we do. We don't market directly to 1f16.com, for instance. We're going to market to an actual offer page. So let me just show you some navigation. Over here on the left, we have categories. Now, each of these categories has different offers. All of these make us money. This website right here literally represents 200 different things that pay us. Right? It's multiple streams of income. Every one offer can represent one income stream. We have some offers that are very relevant, that bring a lot of traffic in, that we have students making literally thousands of dollars a week off of one offer. Yet we have hundreds of offers. We operate on 2 marketing concepts, things that I've proven out over the years. The first marketing concept that we operate on is called a marketing house. A marketing house means every product or service you have represents a door or a window into your house. And it doesn't matter which door or window brings the consumer into your marketing house, as long as they get there. Once they're in the marketing house, they can see everything else that you have to offer. A great example of that, looking at the brick and mortar world, would be Walmart. You go to Walmart to buy milk and eggs. Walmart, you see all their products that they have to offer, and before you know it, you're checking out with $200 in groceries. That's the marketing house concept. The other concept that we utilize is the shopping mall concept. Now, shopping malls do very well if they have anchor stores. Now, the bigger the shopping mall, the more anchor stores they have. And anchor stores would be like amazing. Those big stores that draw the crowds in. Well, those crowds, or that traffic that comes in, also benefits all the small stores and the kiosks throughout the mall. Without that traffic, those stores wouldn't survive. A lot of those stores wouldn't even survive on their own in a strip mall, but they do survive in the mall environment because the traffic brought in by those anchor stores. Now, we have both those concepts going. Though we're online, we have no limit on space. We don't have looking at, which is mine, literally has hundreds and hundreds of different stores represented, and we're adding more all the time. That's what's really beautiful about it. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you just an example. So I'm going to come here to clothing and apparel, and I'm going to go to the second one down here. Now, this is what we call a category page. These are categories. This is a category page. It's kind of like an index for the different stores that we represent. Okay. And when I click on clothing for women in affordable fashion, it's going to take me to this offer. Okay. Now, this is what we call an offer page. This is written in a blog style that we teach you how to do. In fact, we give you a starting point and just teach you how to modify. I know people that just don't think they can write. Well, we're going to teach you how to do it in a very easy and effective way. Again, whether you're 8 or 93 or anywhere in between, if you can follow instructions, you can do this. Okay. Now, when they click on any of the images here and they get the information, and this is written for SEO, I get free traffic based on how we wrote this from search engines each and every day. And when they come here and click on any of this, it's going to take them to the actual store that we're marketing. In this case, it's Boscov's, and any purchase they make, I get a percentage or a commission on. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to this. If they're on this page, and let's say they don't click to buy, right? Well, on the left-hand side, we have all our categories. Now, we all read left to right. So our eyes automatically see all these categories over here, and everything in these categories is something that pays me. These are all multiple streams of income, literally hundreds of ways I can get paid. The average visitor to our websites clicks around 7 different times. So that means they're clicking around all these things, and they may have came here for this particular offer, but they're going to click and buy something else possibly, and that's just another way why this works. We don't just market one thing. We market basically a huge shopping mall of things. This the biggest shopping mall in the world. We have more stores than that, and we can add at will, right? So I would be marketing through link posting, which we'll teach you how to do, which is for free, and through search engine optimization as well. We're going to teach you how to get traffic. Traffic is what makes this work, and we teach you how to do it. And in most ways, you get it for free. We teach you how to do social media marketing. You're going to learn how to build this. And again, this is a legacy business, right? You get it building, and you start making some money and start making more and more, and you just compound as you add and as time goes by. A lot of things that we do takes a while for it to hit. We'll teach you how everything works, but some things are immediate. It's phenomenal once you see it. And let me just walk you through it. So again, we have all these categories on the left. Well, on the right-hand side, we have a search area. There's over 250 or there's hundreds of pages on the site. You can search for anything and it'll pull up something. So that's an effective way for people to find what we have and see things on there. We also like to build a relationship with our traffic or our viewers. Right? We have a way for them just to register so they get updated when new offers are added right here. First name, last name, and email address. Now, this is something that builds up over time. I've been doing this for years and years, and I have thousands upon thousands of people that have registered in here. And every time I send out something, I get a lot of traffic from that because they know who I am. I've created an online relationship with them as myself and 1f16.com to bring them back to the offers that we have. Now, below that, you're going to see ads. Now, we see ads everywhere. I'm going to give you a little bit of education on advertising work. So there's people that see ads and click on ads, and there's people that place those ads there and get paid for it. That's what we do. We get paid to put these ads on here, and this is a partnership with Google, and Google AdSense is a program. Now, Google gets paid by advertisers to place this. This banner is here because someone paid to put it here, okay? Someone paid to put this here too. Russell Silver paid to put this on here. And when somebody clicks on that, I get paid based on that click. Now, what's really good about Google is Google has the advertisers. They are already getting paid, and based on your level of advertising, I'm on the top tier, for instance, so I get 80% of the revenue for everybody that clicks on a Google ad. So I'll make anywhere from 20 cents to $25 per click because it's on my site. Now, Google partners with us because we create content. This is a blogging system, but and what we input about a store. We explain what it is and help do the marketing that creates the content that gives us value with Google. Google places these banners on here. Now, Google makes a lot of money. They're one of the largest, wealthiest companies in the world. And, they make money off of everybody because of the advertising that they do. Now, you and I don't send them money, right? I don't send them money, but they make $300, $350 per user. That's any man, woman, and child that uses Google. That's how much they make on advertising revenue. And when you're a partner with them, we share in that revenue based on what we generate from our site. It's an amazing partnership. And, I literally make money each and every day from Google because of how that's set up. And that's what we get you set up with as well. And you'll notice that those ads, you guys probably notice, like if you go check, let's say you go into an online store, and whether you buy or not, you'll go log into Facebook or go to another website, and you'll see banners for that store or competitor store. You know how that happens? Google knows everything. They got logarithms. They do the same thing for our viewers that come in here. So when you come to my site, you'll see something different than I see. Google knows everything about us. They know our trends, where we buy, what we look at, and they give us offers or advertisements that they think we're going to click on because that's how they get paid, which helps us get paid. It's a brilliant partnership, and that's something we help you get set up with your system because it literally creates a way to make money all the time. Now, I'm just showing you one offer. We have several offers in here, and I'm just going to let you guys know we keep up with everything that's relevant. We have weekly calls for our students to help keep you guys, up to date with the latest offers. We just launched a new offer last December, in that first month, our students made over $1.5 million collectively from that one offer. We get things like that all the time that we teach you how to use and put out there. And once your site's up and going, it becomes easier and easier and faster to make money as we progress. And again, this is a legacy business to market. No matter how great a new service or product is, they always need somebody to help them market it and take it. And the more people we get involved with this, it's a big world. There's more and more people online all the time. There's over 1 billion people online right now. There's plenty of room for all of us to grow this very big, okay? And again, we're not getting paid by the hour. This is not a job. This is your business. It gets paid by the action, whether it's per click on the Google AdSense, per purchase off an offer, per lead on some of the lead things we have. We have other things that pay us per click. Those are actions, and we can create as many actions as we want per second, per hour, per day. There's only room for growth. It's virtually unlimited. Now, we just added a lot more relevant topics and offers, and I'm going to just pull up this category called blockchain innovation. Now, the blockchain is what I consider Internet 3.0. This is, blockchain is revolutionary. It's changing the way we do a lot of things, especially transactionally based, and especially with currency. Bitcoin was the first blockchain innovation that ever came out. Bitcoin is an amazing thing. We're going to teach you all about that. In fact, we have a program that's going to specify and help you be part of that in a big way. If you want to learn how Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and the whole blockchain network works as an affiliate and also as a user, or if you're looking to put money into that and see it grow, we have a complete program to teach you how to do that. We are cutting edge all the time. It's what we do. We're always adding new things that are relevant today. As an advertiser, as an affiliate, that having the right offers and knowing how to market it is where you make the money. We're constantly in the right place at the right time because of that, and we're here to guide you on a very weekly basis, sometimes even daily. Things happen fast, and we keep you informed ongoing. We've been doing this for several years now. We're going to continue to do it forever, and we're just helping as many families as we can, because this is a way that you can control your income, have an amazing business, and get going. All right, look forward to seeing you in the trainings. Talk to you soon. And get ready to have some fun. Bye for now.